Do you know that your body might have an expiry date? Scientists have made a profound discovery about humans' expiration dates. What we already know is that our bodies do not have specific expiry dates, as the aging process varies among individuals and is influenced by a combination of genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors. However, our bodies are subject to a natural aging process which occurs at both cellular and systemic levels. At cellular level, aging is characterized by a gradual decline in the functionality and efficiency of cells. At the systemic level, aging affects various organs and systems in the body. According to the Institute of Aging, aging is associated with changes in dynamic biological, physiological, environmental, psychological, behavioral, and social processes, which makes aging a complex phenomenon. While our bodies naturally age, the rate at which this occurs can vary significantly among individuals. Some people may experience accelerated aging due to genetic predispositions or lifestyle choices, while others may age more slowly. Also, advancements in medical science and healthcare have led to increased life expectancy and improved quality of life for many individuals. Welcome to Real Sci-Communications. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you are new to this channel. And if not new, please don't forget to hit the notification bell if you are yet to do so. Thank you. According to a Quora online forum contributor, our bodies undergo wear and tear over time due to various factors, such as genetics, lifestyle choices, and environmental factors. This gradual degradation can lead to age-related diseases and eventually death. Now, let's talk about some terms and factors related to aging. Number one, aging process. The aging process is a complex phenomenon that involves gradual changes in our body structure and function over time. It affects every organ system and can lead to a decline in overall health and increased vulnerability to diseases. Number two, cellular aging. At the cellular level, aging is associated with progressive decline in the ability of cells to divide and function properly. It is primarily due to accumulated damage to DNA, proteins, and other cellular components over time. The accumulation of this damage can lead to impaired cellular function and increased susceptibility to diseases. Examples of these include DNA damage, telomere shortening, and accumulation of cellular waste products. 3. Telomeres. One important aspect of cellular aging is the role of telomeres. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that shorten with each cell division. Eventually, when telomeres become critically short, cells enter a state called replicative senescence and can no longer divide. These contribute to the overall aging process. Number 4, genetic factors. Genetics play a significant role in determining an individual's lifespan and susceptibility to age-related diseases. Certain genetic variations have been associated with increased longevity, while others may predispose individuals to premature aging and age-related conditions. Number 5, the mitochondrial factor. Over the last decade, accumulating evidence has suggested a causative link between mitochondrial dysfunction and major phenotypes associated with aging. According to the MFRTA, mitochondria play a crucial role in mediating and amplifying the oxidative stress that drives the aging process. Source: JCI. There is a seminal article by Denham Harman which proposes the mitochondrial theory of aging. It suggests that accumulated damage to mitochondria, which are responsible for energy production within cells, leads to a decline in overall cellular function and contribute to the aging process. Number 6, lifestyle factors. Lifestyle choices such as diets, exercise, sleep patterns, stress management, smoking, alcohol consumption, and other substance use can greatly influence the rate at which our bodies age. A healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, rich in nutrients, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress reduction techniques, and avoidance of harmful substances like narcotics, tobacco, and excessive alcohol consumption can all contribute to maintaining optimal health and potentially extend our lifespan. Number 7, environmental factors. Environmental factors, including exposure to pollutants, toxins, and radiation, can accelerate the aging process and increase the risk of developing age-related diseases. For example, excessive sun exposure can lead to premature skin aging and increased risk of skin cancer. Number 8, age-related diseases. As we age, the risk of developing certain diseases increases. These include cardiovascular diseases, cancer, neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, osteoporosis, and diabetes. While not everyone will develop these conditions, they are more prevalent in older individuals. Number 9, life expectancy. Life expectancy varies across different populations and is influenced by various factors such as healthcare access, socioeconomic status, and lifestyle choices. Advances in medical science and public health have significantly increased life expectancy over the past century. But 10, maximum lifespan. The maximum lifespan of humans is currently estimated to be around 120 years. This estimate is based on observations of the oldest recorded individuals in most of history. However, it is important to note that reaching this maximum lifespan is extremely rare, and most individuals will not live that long. However, in recent years, scientists and researchers have sought to answer the question about human body's expiration date. According to Catholic Online, researchers from the Albert Einstein College of Medicine's Department of Genetics discovered what they believe to be the human body's maximum age limit. Xiao Dong, Brandon Mihulan, and Zhang Vij worked together to discover the human body generally maxes out at 115 years, but admit there is a 1 in 10,000 chance for it to survive up to 125 years. In their study titled Evidence for a Limit to Human Lifespan, the researchers claim the maximum lifespan is not fixed, adding it is quite flexible and can be affected by genetic and pharmacological interventions. In fact, Sweden discovered the human lifespan maximum rose from about 101 years in the 1860s to 180 by the 1990s. The scientific community has expressed divergent views or opinions about aging and the human body's expiration date. David Sinclair, a geneticist at Harvard Medical School and a spokesman for the American Federation for Aging Research, explained, the health of a person mixed with genetic manipulations result in a slower aging process and longer lasting health. We can greatly extend the lifespans of many different types of animals. Sinclair stated, I don't think humans are an exception. Zhang Vij, one of the geneticists involved in the study, shared a different opinion. He believes it is unlikely science will be able to push the limit of aging beyond 125 years, specifically because of the various forms of declining mental health. Further progress against infectious and chronic diseases may continue boosting average life expectancy, but not maximum lifespan, he stated. While it is conceivable that therapeutic breakthroughs might extend human longevity beyond the limit we've calculated, such advances would need to overwhelm the many genetic variants that appear to collectively determine the human lifespan. Perhaps resources now being spent to increase lifespan should instead go to lengthening health span, the duration of old age spent in good health. Vij argued a longer life is useless if mental illnesses aren't stopped or eradicated completely. What kind of life will it be for someone to be mentally gone but physically present? What are you going to do? He asked. Develop a drug for all of the mental ailments? Scientific American has this to say. Beyond that, aging is built into our DNA, and while experts are continuing to explore clever ways to counteract it at molecular level through drugs or other therapies, our bodies are never going to be permanent. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned for more updates.